गेल्या वर्षी NSE परिसरात स्थापित केलेला पुतळा भारताच्या भांडवली बाजारात ताकद, लवचिकता आणि आशावादाचे प्रतीक बनलाय। गेल्या वर्षभरात त्याने माध्यमांचं लक्ष वेधून घेतलंय। त्याचा पहिला वर्धापन दिन साजरा करण्यासाठी तयार केलेला हा व्हिडिओ पाहूयात।
In every story of India's progress, there stands a powerful symbol of strength and resilience which reflects the aspirations of a billion people. The iconic NSE Bull and People of India installation was launched on 6 September 2024 by Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, along with our MD and CEO, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. As we celebrate 1 year of this milestone, discover the story behind this unique installation. NSE has been pivotal in shaping India's capital markets, pioneering sound governance and enabling financial empowerment for investors, which NSE as a catalyst in the journey towards a Viksit Bharat. To give shape to this journey, NSE envisioned a symbol of India's energy, diversity and determination. This vision came alive through the NSE Bull and People of India, crafted by renowned sculptor Shri Anil Sutar, son of Shri Ram Sutar, designer of the Statue of Unity. At its heart stands the bull, a timeless symbol of growth, confidence and strength, reflecting not just the momentum of markets but also the spirit of progress. Surrounding the bull, you see a collection of figures representing the diverse people of India: men, women, students, farmers and professionals. They convey a sense of unity and collaboration, symbolizing their collective effort towards investment and economic growth. Hear what NSE employees have to say about what this unique NSE installation means to them.
To me, the Bull and the People of India embody the confidence of a nation investing in its future.
It symbolizes strength built on trust, governance and resilience.
The NSE Bull reminds me that technology connects diverse people to opportunity in the market.
That every Indian, no matter where they come from, has a role in shaping our economy.
I see unity in diversity, all moving together towards growth.
To me, the bull represents the unstoppable momentum of India's economy.
The bull and the people of India represent India's capital markets that is always growing and very robust, very strong. We invite all of you to come to NSE headquarters at BKC Mumbai to experience the bull and the people of India.